The topic is about multiple linear regression. Multiple linear regression attempts to model the relationship between two or more explanatory variables and a response variable by fitting a linear equation to observed data. We have a linear regression and multiple regression. Uh, in linear regression, we have one independent variable and one dependent variable, whereas in multiple linear regression, we have more number of predictors. Like here, if you want to guess someone's height, we can have data of weight and gender, income and favorite number of that person. We can exclude the income and favorite number if you want to. Depending on this weight and gender predictors, we can get the response height through multiple linear regression. Here another example. Here TV, radio are the predictors, whereas we are finding the response cells Y, and we know that general model equation Y is equal to f of x plus epsilon. As we have many predictors, the equation changes beta and beta 1, x1, beta 2, x1, and so on to epsilon. Mm, and even the mean square error equation also changes, and it is done by this equation. And we have hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is a formal process through which we evaluate the validity of a statistical hypothesis by considering evidence for or against the hypothesis gathered by random sampling of the data. We have generally two types of hypothesis testing: null hypothesis testing and alternate hypothesis testing. In null hypothesis, we denoted by H0. There is no relation between x and y, independent variable and dependent variable, whereas in alternate hypothesis we have some relation between independent and dependent variables, which is represented by HA or H1. Mm, uh, and we can find f stat to evaluate the null hypothesis, which is given by explained variance by unexplained variance. We can compute the f stat for linear regression model by this equation. That is all about multi regression.